Yeah, good morning students. Today we will discuss the working with Flash CS3. So, what is the Flash and what is the use of Flash? These things are we will discuss in this chapter. And Flash animation software, what is the Flash animation software, the Flash workspace and its components, and setting documents, properties, drawing and object and grouping outlines with fills, applying a gradient fills and modify a linear gradient and tuning and creating a simple text and shapes. These topics we will discuss in this chapter. So I hope you enjoyed this chapter. And first we start the what is Flash. Okay. So start what is Flash. Working with Flash and what is Flash. So we simply we will introduce to what is the Adobe Flash. So Flash is a powerful animation software package developed by Adobe System, formerly Macromedia. Flash provides a versatile and easy way to create animation that consists of image, sound and videos with various effects. Flash is a vector-based program, which means that the graphic created it in can be selected, scaled to any size without losing the quality. Flash is extremely useful for developing highly interactive websites, online advertisements, computers, games, and content for various mobile devices. Playing movies in any browser is one of the best features of Flash. And next thing is workplace, workspace. This is the Flash workspace menu bar. Stage. This is the stage. Motion editor, timeline, layers, panels, tools. Stage, motion editor, timeline, layers, panels and tools. This is the panel and here tool represents. Okay, this is the tools, timelines and layers. We will discuss one by one. So stage, compose movie content on the stage, set stage site by selecting modify documents to specify the stage size in pixels, enter value in the width and height boxes. The minimum size is 1 into 1 pixel, the maximum is 2880 into 2880 pixel. To minimize document size, click the contents button to the right of match, but first create all the objects on the stage. To set the stage view to the maximize available print area, click printer. Simply to open Flash, we want to open the Flash. To click on the Start All Program Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. The opening screen appear. Click on the Flash file under Create New selection to open the Flash document. Okay. Stage, then Tool panel. Tool create the content of a movie. Content of a movie. Number 1, selection tools. Select, scale, distort, rotate objects. Drawing tools, draw, paint, create text and erase object. Next one is the view tools, zoom and pan. Next, color tools, set stroke and fill colors option, modify the currently selected tools. One point is the menu. The menu provides control over common functions like opening, closing and saving of a document. You use the menu, close and open your document. Some other features like copying, pasting, calling up specified panels and controlling overall Flash environment can be seen under menu option. Then panels. Panels provide additional tools for creating and editing movies. Click the panel to view additional options for the current panel. You can hide or show panels by using the option on the window menu. Here, okay, property, shape, portion and size, fill and stroke, colors. This is the panel. Okay. Next, timeline. You can organize and control the content of a movie over a time. The timeline is a fixed window that stays on the top of every object in the workspace. It organizes and controls the content of document over time in frame as well as in layers. The major component of the timeline are layers, frame, and the playhead. It has a ruler like strip called frame and a field labeled as a layer 1. Then this is the frames, playhead, and this is the layers. Okay. Next, frames and keyframes. Frames like films. Frames like films, flash movies divide length of time into frames which are organized on the timeline. Keyframes, frames that define a change in what is displayed in a movie or include frame actions to modify a movie. When you open a new blank movie document, it contains one layer with one blank keyframes. Keyframe with content, this is a keyframe with content. Empty frame, this is the empty frame. Empty slot for new frame. Okay, this point is a blank keyframe. Layers. Layers are like multiple film strips stacked on top of each other, each with a different element that appear on the stage. Graphics, animations, text, sound, buttons, frame, actions. Action, sound, hair, eyes, noise, lips. This is the timelines. Symbols and libraries. Symbols are elements we use within a movie to reduce file size. Types of symbols include graphics, button, movie clip, sounds, sound file, and text. A library is where you store and organize symbols. When you drag a symbol from a library to the stage, you create an instance of the symbols. Point was the applying gradient fill. Gradient means filling color in an object from light to dark. That basically gives shades to an object or a color found by mixing of two or more colors in an object and creating a new gradient. Types of gradient: linear and radial gradient. Advantage of using symbols: easy editing. If you change the symbols in the library, all instances of the symbols are updated automatically and smaller file sizes. Symbols are downloaded only once, regardless of the number of instances you have included in the movie. This reduces the size of your published movie and decreases download times. And tuning, animation with tuning. So the a twin is an animation that is created by specifying a state for an object property in one frame and another state for that same object in another frame. Flash calculates the value for that object properties in between those two frames. The term twins comes from the phrases in bet bin. Flash supports three different types of tuning: motion tunes, classic tunes, shape tunes. We will discuss these are in next class. Thank you.